Hello everybody and welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix error in Laravel 12 when you try to render your component. So as you can see here I have error, parser error, syntax error, unexpected token, and if expecting end of file. So gonna show you my component. So it's very simple div component where we have div component, and we showing the text variable. And here I have my blade template that try to render that component, and a problem is this. We have spaces between the attributes and the value of this attribute. So in order to fix it, we just need to get rid of the spaces. So let's save it and let's go back, and as you can see our component is rendered that we have our text. So this is it. It's a quick video just to show you, maybe it will help somebody to save a couple hours maybe to try to fix this problem. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.